Home remedies for wound treatment. Apart from wounds, burns, cuts, blisters and scrapes too can be dangerous if left untreated. They can be very painful depending on the severity of the injury. If the injury peels away your skin, you have to be very cautious as the likeliness of the wound to be infected by bacteria is higher. This condition can be very harmful for diabetic patients. Without proper diabetic wound treatment, they will experience deterioration, in which the infection starts spreading to the skin and flesh surrounding the wound. If found uncontrollable, doctors will have to do a surgery to remove the infected skin and flesh. We are going to share with you some of the proper wound treatments that we know that help heal minor injuries over a short period of time. Wound treatment guidelines. 1. Do wash your wound immediately when you get them. Make sure to wash using lukewarm water, or wash it in running water. This is important to kill the bacteria and germs that has gotten into that area. 2. Do cover your wound using a plaster, gauze or any clean piece of cloth. This should be done to ensure that the bacteria does not spread and infect the injured area. If the wound is very minor, or if it is only a small cut, you can continue with open wound treatment, meaning without having to cover it. 3. Do wash your hands before treatment. Your hands have to be clean so that you don't transfer any bacteria from your hand to the injured area. 4. Don't rub the wound. This is something that you must avoid doing as it can deteriorate. It will also trigger pain and hurt the affected area. 5. Don't lick your injured fingers. This can be really bad, especially if the injury is caused by rusty objects. The microorganism on the rusty metal can cause tetanus. 6. Don't use any soap to clean the wound. This will irritate it. Also, avoid using hydrogen peroxide and iodine. Wound treatment, home remedies. Now that you have learned the guidelines to treating wounds, let me also tell you the natural treatments that work really fast and help speed up the wound healing process. However, please bear in mind that these remedies are not guaranteed to work on any diabetic or non-healing surgical wound. 1. Garlic juice. This will be a little irritating and painful for the first minute when applied, but will soothe later. You can also crush a clove of garlic and place it on the wound for about 4 hours. Make sure to wrap it so that the crushed garlic stays in place. 2. Turmeric powder. Make a thick paste out of turmeric powder and few drops of olive oil. Apply this and leave it on for at least 3 hours. Do not forget to wrap the injured area. This remedy can also be great for wound management, meaning to apply every now and then upon healing. 3. Rosemary. It is an amazing remedy to help speed up the healing process. All you got to do is just chop finely some rosemary, place it on the injured area, and then wrap it. Leave it on for at least 6 hours. Later wash using lukewarm water, and repeat this again until it heals. 4. Aloe vera. This is known as the best wound treatment, especially if you have got a burn. Aloe vera is proven to improve the healing rates. Apply some aloe vera gel on the affected area and leave it on until it dries. 5. Honey. This can be used to treat a mild cut or burn. It is proven that honey has high anti-inflammatory, antifungal and antibacterial properties. It will not irritate and helps it heal gradually. Just dab some honey onto the affected area. 6. Classic red rose. You can give this a try. Crush the petals of a red rose, and then place it on the affected area. Don't forget to wrap it to ensure the petals stay in place. This is said to help stop bleeding and kill all the germs. 7. Calendula. Calendula oil is one of the best remedies for a wound treatment. Just apply some calendula oil on the injured area. It will help stop bleeding and speeds up the healing process. Continue applying until it heals. 8. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil works miracles on cuts and burns too. All you got to do is just dab some tea tree oil onto the affected area.